In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Interactive Broker's Trader Workstation. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, you want to click on Trading up top and then Platforms. Now on here, you want to scroll down a bit, and here you'll be able to see under Platforms, it says Trader Workstation, or TWS as they call it. You want to click on that, and then over here, it's going to allow you to download it by clicking on this button. Just click on it. And then you'll have to basically select which version you want. So here I'm just going to do latest, and then you also have to select, of course, where you want to download it. So you could do Apple, Linux, or Windows. I have a Windows computer, so I'm going to download it on that. I'm going to click on it, and this is going to basically download. And when you open it up, just click on that. It's going to take a few seconds to basically install, and then this will show up, which is the setup wizard. You want to click on the next button here. Here you can just select basically where you want to install it. Of course, you can go ahead and browse and select whichever folder you want. I'm just going to leave it as default and click on next. And then this is basically going to start loading, and whenever it reaches the far end here, it means that's done and the installation process has basically been completed. And there we go. As you can see, you can just click on the Run Trader Workstation here, click on Finish, and that will open up, and then you can start using the platform. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.